Wala akong hangad para sa sarili ko. Wala sana akong hangad pumasok sa politika. Alam ng mga politiko dahil kinausap ko sila. I told them, I have been an academician all my life. I have been a scholar in UP all my student days. I have never dabbled in politics. I've never run for any elected public office. It would therefore be impudent of me, not to speak of being unrealistic, to seek the highest office in the land. I told the politicians, please cooperate with me. Just teach me if I do wrong. But please don't try to obstruct or destroy me because we are all Filipinos and we need to unite for the problems of our country are so imperative and so urgent. Sinira pa rin nila ako. Ayaw nilang maniwala at sinabi ko, wala akong balak para sa 1992. At that time I said, I have no political ambition.